But one thing you have to understand is that you have to do it. You have to use your way. I don't know what that's going to be. That's for you to figure it out. What's that going to be? You don't have to feel pressure to go out there and say something, but you have to. We used to have this foundation for years. We didn't tell nobody. And then we realized we made the biggest mistake of our lives. Not having publicly saying we have a huge foundation and all of this. Because once we did that, everybody else followed. I couldn't understand this when I was younger. Because everything was about the sport, about survival. But now it's more of, I'm in a certain age that I understand, even coming here today for Nikos, that it's part of my duty to pave the way, some way forward. Some people might not care about what I think, but I think this is what's very, very important. I've been through this. This is who I'm. Second generation. I'm second, third generation. But there's guys who behind me who didn't make it, and guys after us who are very, very capable of making it. So I think we have to be advocates for your guys, for his guy. We have to be advocates for this. It's not easy, but I believe and I'm sorry to say this, I'm not saying this, but it's hard what I'm saying, but it's through success. It's through success. We succeed, we go hard, we succeed, and now we tell them, like, hey, this is what you need to do to move forward.